my channel. I am Beauty Mark Cat, or you can call me Cat for short, whichever you like. Thank you so much for joining me once again on another makeup tutorial. Today I am bringing a makeup tutorial slash review. I don't make many reviews because I don't tend to go out and buy everything that comes out right away, but for today I made an exception because it is Jaclyn Hill and I'm such a fan of Jaclyn Hill. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be making videos, to be honest. She motivates me to do makeup and keep going. She falls down and gets right back up. As soon as I saw Jaclyn Hill post that she was coming out with another palette, I knew I had to have it.
And I was just like, oh, I have to have it.
Obsessed with her first palette still to this day. This one right here, the Jaclyn Hill palette. And who doesn't have this palette? And whoever doesn't have this palette has to get it, because I feel like this palette is your to-go palette. I mean, I take this palette everywhere with me. It's a little beat up as you can see, but I do use this a lot. You will be seeing in the video a little bit of review on this palette, if there's any fallout, if I like it, I'll let you guys know for sure. One of the things that I hate the most with eyeshadow palettes, that when they do patch, it's like it just ruins the whole look. I had to start all over, and for this one I really did love it. I gave it 2 thumbs up because I do love this palette. I cannot wait to make more looks with this. As you can see, the range of shades that it has, of course you're gonna have your neutral, the pinks, the reds, the purple. It's just the best palette. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. I'll leave that in the description down below. So if you want to stick around and join me on how I created this beautiful look, please keep on watching. I went ahead and added some tape just because I do want a cat eye effect with this eyeshadow. I just want the eyeshadow to be a little pulled to the side and give it a shape at the end. Other than that, it would have been just a spot round shape instead of the pulled out cat eye that I'm going for. First eyeshadow that I'm going to be using is this purple eyeshadow on the palette, and it's called Not My Journey. And I'm gonna go ahead and focus that where the tape is, of course, and I'm gonna try to focus that more on the outer corner and then try to bring that in towards the inner corner. It is going to be a cut crease, so I do want that eyeshadow to pop out. I'm gonna go ahead and tap that on. A little bit of fallout on the palette itself when I grabbed the product, but once I add it to the eye, there's no fallout, as you can see. Once I see that there's enough product on there, I just go ahead and blend it with the brush. This shadow does blend very well. It's not patchy. Up that outer corner, I'm gonna be going in with Temptress, and it's just a matte black eyeshadow towards the outer corner and the crease. I'm gonna try to create the crease with this black eyeshadow very lightly, just so it can pop out when I do cut that crease. I'm also gonna go ahead and bring that black eyeshadow towards my eyelid, kind of making like a V shape with the outer corner. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I want to take it all the way towards the outer corner. I'm going to be going in with my matte, and this is just an orange matte shade. I'm going to be tapping on the product on first, and then I'll go ahead and blend them all together. Going in with Feeling Myself, and this is just a lighter orange. I'm going to go ahead and grab this matte pink, and this one is called Tipsy Girl. For the inner corner, I'm going to be going in with No Joke, and this is just a matte yellow. I'm going to be going back with the purple shadow and the black shadow, just so I can blend out the rough line that I made with the cut crease. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that. just so it won't be like a harsh cut crease line. Going in with Certified, and this is just a matte white, and this is just to brighten up the brow bone. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye off camera just for the sake of time, and I'll be right back for eyelashes and the lower lash line. Well, I am done with the other eye. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line.
I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat the same steps that I did for the crease and also for the lid. I'm just gonna be tapping on the product on and blending out afterwards.
Go ahead and line my lips with the KKW Beauty lip liner, and this one is in Nude 3. I'm gonna be going in with Morphe's lipstick, and this one is in Whipped. It's just a beautiful nude brown lipstick. Last but not least, I'm going to be going in with Jaclyn Hill's loose highlighter, and the one that I got was High Volt. So I'm going to go ahead and focus that. Oh my god, yes. Look at that. I've been looking for a highlight that gives you that wet effect, and I feel like this highlight is giving me all that wet effect that I was looking for. And that was just a little bit. I didn't want to go too much, but we need to go a little more. Looks like her glowy cheeks that she always has. Look at that. I love it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I am now done with the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love this look. I loved it. I was really scared at first. I was like, it's not coming out the way I was envisioning. I must admit, I feel like this is one of my favorite looks that I have created to date. I love the colors. I loved everything about the palette. Overall, I must admit, I am obsessed with this palette. I love that I didn't have any fallout once I added the product on. Like, it was just an amazing turnout. There was no patches or any fallout. So I am so happy with that, and I feel like it made my look come out more easier. Like I said, there was fallout on the palette, but I'm so happy that there was no fallout on my skin. I feel like this palette, I knew I wasn't gonna be disappointed. The highlight is really good, and getting a free brush with it, it was a win-win after all. Hopefully you beauties enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much as I did creating it. I can't wait to create more looks. And with that said, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.